Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can check your bets on Betfair, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account in Betfair and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface of Betfair apps on in the screen, where you can see profile icon at top right corner. Just tap over there and you'll be redirected to the my account section, where you can see my bet option shown in the screen. Just tap on it and finally you'll be able to see my bet section, where you can see two options, one is open and another is settled. In open you'll be able to see your current bets, and in settled option you'll be able to see your bets that you have closed. So basically this is how you can check your bets on Betfair, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on, so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.